guys, Callum here. I'm here with, this is going to be a short video, and it's going to be an unboxing and another unboxing video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So this is episode 3 of the unboxing series. Well, I've ordered something last week or the week before on Sunday, and it finally got delivered, posted in the mail Friday. So here we are. For this unboxing video, it is not like normal. Okay, guys. So here it is. Ooh, fragile. As you can see, I'm not the date, my address and that's on there, so I better not show that. But here we go. So in this package is what I got. Finally. And by the way, I've had this already. I've got this already, but it's from another region, so I couldn't really play it. So it's from a different country, pretty much. So here we. Whoops. Yeah. Ah. Oh, yuck, sticky stuff. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh, here we are. It's a DVD. Like I said, I've already got this, but it's from a different region, so I couldn't play it on my DVD players or Xboxes. So this is what I got: the Adventures of Merlin, Season 3. The battle for Camelot has begun. Merlin Season 3. Well, I've been wanting to get this one so I could actually just play and watch it. Been wanting this for a bit because I was getting really sick of everything. So yeah, so this was my unboxing for today, episode 3. It's a DVD instead of a Transformers figure. It is a DVD that I've wanted. So here it is. There's that. There's the side. Oops. And then there's the back. Finally, yes! Finally! Rubbish is there. So, like I said, it was a short video. A very short unboxing video. So, that's it, guys. It's like a 3-minute video. I know it's a very short unboxing video, it's only 3 minutes, but yeah, it was only 10 boxes, and I finally got it. So now I can continue the story with the last few seasons of this movie show, and I'll be fine. So hope hope you guys enjoyed this video, and so please like this video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell if you want to see when new videos come up, and comment down below on what you think I should do, like if it's an unboxing item you want me to get, or you think I should get for something, or videos and ideas for videos. So yeah, so I'm gonna go and see you next time. Bye. Hey.